Hi, I'm Steve from Computer Technical Solutions. We're managed security service providers. That means that we are specialists in cybersecurity and we also look after your IT systems. Excuse me. Um, so I'm here today to talk to you about why cybersecurity is failing us. A good friend of mine, Richard Hollis, who is a long time cyber evangelist and owns a company in London, recently said that the cybersecurity industry is broken. And he's right. He is absolutely right. The majority of the tools that users are sold, that companies are sold, are designed to fail. That's a horrible thing to say, but I'm going to repeat it. They are designed to fail. So, what's going on? Why are these systems designed to fail? It's simple, really. What's happening is that your antivirus, which is key to everything that you do, is the main cause of failure. You might have an endpoint security system. I don't know. It depends on whether you're being looked after by an IT company or not. You might have just plain antivirus. And it doesn't really matter. The system is designed to fail. It doesn't work. So why doesn't your antivirus work anymore? The reason for that is it never worked. Um, it was designed to fail. It uses a dictionary of known bad malware. Known bad programs. That's what malware is. It's small programs, some sort. Viruses, trojans, whatever you've got. It's a little program, and it's designed to do something on your computer. Be that to hijack it for use elsewhere, or to allow somebody access to the system so that they can steal your data, install ransomware, whatever. These applications, these programs, the code for them and the different variants of them is stored in the dictionary in your antivirus. It's the wrong way round though, because there are thousands of new pieces of malware that come out every day that aren't in the dictionary. How often does your dictionary get updated? Well, first of all, you've got to discover that malware, you've got to identify how it works, you've got to identify a way that it's unique, and then give that to the dictionary so that you get to update it in your dictionary. And now days, weeks, or even months have passed since that piece of software got out into the wild. And that's not great for you because it means that you could already be compromised. Your system could already have a hacker on it who's hunting around, grabbing your data, and when he's finished grabbing your data, he'll pop some ransomware on there. And ransomware is no longer one of those things where they turn around and say, pay us to get the encryption key to decrypt your hard drives. It's now pay us or we'll release all your data onto the internet for everyone to see. That's horrible. That could destroy your business in so many ways. So we've got to stop it. And the right way to stop it is to turn antivirus on its head. And there are systems that do that. They're called zero trust. And zero trust systems, also referred to as default deny systems, have a list of known good programs. Now, along with the known good programs, we have certificates that we know apply to certain programs. Maybe, let's take Adobe Reader as an example. That gets updated pretty regularly, and the file size is going to change, and all sorts of things about it are going to change. So if it's issued with a certificate and we've got a copy of the certificate and we know how good it is, we know everything about that certificate to identify it as unique, and the software comes along with that certificate attached to it, then we know that it's Adobe Reader and that we can let it run on your system. The same is true for developers. So we can create a certificate for the developer to add to his software so that he can run it and test it. So, there are all sorts of ways we can do this. And the great thing about the default deny systems that I use, the zero trust systems that I use, means that if you have an application that's a known good application, it runs automatically. And if you've got something that isn't known good and we need to add it, then once we've verified that it's good, it's a click of a button. It's a tick in a box, and submit, and that's it. And instantly on your computer, it's allowed. Now, if I don't know whether it's good or not, if I can't actually get to the nitty gritty and say 100% I know that this is a good program, I'll refer it to the SOC team, the Security Operating Center that's behind all of our major clients. And the SOC team will then have a look and they will go, that's good or that's bad. And they'll just tell me. It's simple, it's straightforward, and it doesn't take very long at all. And then we can allow that program to run on your computers, either on one computer or on the whole network or on just a few computers. It depends on what you need and what we should actually do best for security in your company. So stop thinking of cybersecurity as being something like, oh, I've got antivirus or I've got endpoint security, I'm safe. You're not. You're really not, because those systems are designed to fail. Unless you've got true default deny, true zero trust systems running on your network, then you're at risk. So have a chat with us. We'll give you lots and lots of information. We'll talk to you about what you've got currently, whether it's good or whether it's not, what a better way might be, how to approach your current IT vendor if you're happy with them and you want to carry on working with them, how to switch to us if you're unhappy with your current vendor, and you want to use better systems to ensure your network stays safe. Go to the website ctsnww.co.uk and just click on book a chat, and you'll go to my Calendarly and you can book yourself in there for a slot for a natter. And this is a no sales pitch guaranteed chat. Okay, I'm not going to sell to you. We don't do that. If you like what we say and you want to use us, you say so. If you don't, then that's fine. That's okay. It's not a problem. We can still have the chat, and I'll be open and honest with you. So give us a call or on 01492 818 111 or book yourself in via the website. Take care, and I hope you enjoyed this video and got something out of it.